You probably know Excel can autofill months, days, and numbers. But did you know you can make Excel auto-complete your own custom lists? Imagine typing HR and instantly getting finance, marketing, sales all done for you automatically. This is called custom auto lists. To create custom auto lists, we have to click here on File tab and go here in Options. Inside Option, we'll click here on Advanced and go in the General section. We'll click here on Edit Custom Lists. Here you can find all the lists that are already present in the Excel. We'll select New List. Now here either we can type the entire list, for example HR, Finance, or we can import the list. To import the list that is already present in the Excel, we will click here, select the list, and again click here and click on Import. The list has been imported. Now we just click on OK and again OK. Now we will delete this list and we'll just type here HR, hold and drag it down. Now if you want to add it or delete this list, then again you have to go in the File tab and click on Options. Go in Advanced and in the General section, click on Edit Custom Lists. Here is our list. We can edit this, like we can add a new department, or we can delete this list. To delete this list, we just have to click here on Delete and click on OK, and the list will be deleted. Now just tell me, what repetitive list do you type in Excel? Comment below. Want more Excel automation hacks? Subscribe and check out my playlist.